Hey everyone, today we are going to work with what is called an engram within Google Ads. An engram basically it is a script. It looks like this. It's not that complicated. It looks like a lot of stuff, but it's actually just a copy paste task in here. So what we'll do is first to explain what one engram is. Let's say we have like 5,000 keywords or 5,000 search terms and the respective data. If we want to evaluate, for example, how the word, the keywords that include the word for are working, what is their their numbers? And here we can see that when we include the word for, we actually get worse results with 40 cost per acquisition. And here we can see that when we include the word exercise, we have 37 as a cost per acquisition. So this kind of um, analysis is not done automatically by Google Ads. And when we have like a lot of keywords, a lot of search terms, it helps to know how the keywords with a specific word are doing. So here we are going to do this in Google AdWords. First, we need to go to the account that we want to apply this on. I have this one with $200,000 invested. So here we can actually get some results and see how this works. We go first into the account and then we go into the scripts section of this, which is in here. And I'm also going to open a Google Sheet. So we go into Google Sheets and we open a new one. This is a document that we are going to populate with the terms. As we can see, we have like a brand new document. It has nothing on it right now. So here we are going to, this is in another account, and this information can be actually found in different sites, including this one, which I'm going to leave in the description of the video. But this is the actual code. So I'm going to copy it. I already run like a testing here. That's what we are seeing this unnamed script or whatever. So I'm going to actually create a new one and I'm going to call it Ngram. This is an old account. And here I'm going to name the script Ngram and I'm going to delete what is in here and I'm going to paste all the new stuff. We have like a description of what's going on in here and we like can play around with the dates, with the currency symbol, with campaign name. We can use different filters, but what I'm doing right now is to actually delete this in here and update it with the new document URL. We need to make sure that this has like enable the anyone with the link can edit in here. We then copy the link, we go over here and just update it to the new one. It ends in 6K. Here it ends in 6K. So this is what we are looking for. And here we just save this stuff, which is in here in the bottom. We save it and then we can close this stuff. And as we can see again, the document in here is totally empty. Well, It's totally empty in here. But if we actually go and run the script that we selected, but I think I need authorization here, here, uh, run with a preview. Then it's going to ask for authorization, which I just do. With all of this stuff, then we can close it. Then I have this new option to run it. It's going to take like a couple of seconds to run. And what this is going to do is to actually populate. We can see that the document that we started with is already populated. So instead of analyzing one keyword at a time, we can do this to play around with the words that we include in each keyword to actually see how they act as a group. So if we have 1,000 keywords with only one impression, this is going to put it all together and play around with the numbers. Here, this script puts all together at campaign level, at ad group level, but the most important, what I want right now is the campaign level. So we can see when the keyword includes the word driving, we can see that the cost per conversion is only $14. But when we have like the eight, the actual hour word in the phrase, we get $15, and we can see trends in here. So when we use near and me, we can see that the cost per conversion is $8. So this is pretty useful, because otherwise you'll have a hard time evaluating this kind of stuff. It's really difficult when you have a high numbers of impression, a high numbers of keywords, search terms, etc. So it helps a lot to have this Ngram analysis done in any account, especially those who have a high amount of budgets on them. So we can see here again, if we include the keyword city, just that makes a difference, and we see how the cost per conversion goes higher than expected. The same goes for this one, which has high reach. So if we include high reach in the keyword, we are going to get uh, the highest cost per conversion. So yeah, this is what the ngram analysis is, and this is how you can apply it using a script directly in Google Ads. You can use it. You can do the same stuff like using Python or other software, but you will need to be familiar with it, which most marketers are not. So this is how you can do it directly in Google Ads with the script, and it's going to import everything into Google Sheets. Yep. So that's how you do it. I'm going to finish this video now. If you have like any question or you want me to do a video in a specific, just tell me and I will take care of it and maybe do a video on the subject. So thank you and have a great day. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm not used to do this kind of videos.